Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's comprehensive review of the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus AI Business Laptop, featuring an AMD Ryzen AI 7 Pro 350 processor, 32 gigabytes DDR5 RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD. Imagine being a high-powered business executive, tasked with juggling multiple demanding projects and simultaneously collaborating with colleagues across the globe. Your current laptop is no match for the challenge, struggling to keep up with even mildly complex workflows, not to mention seamless real-time communication. It's time to step up your game, and that's where the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus comes in. Engineered to provide exceptional responsiveness, impressive multitasking capabilities, and top-notch productivity performance. Within the professional services industry, we see a growing demand for AI-enhanced business tools that can efficiently integrate artificial intelligence into existing workflows, driving business outcomes and improving operational efficiency. The traditional general-purpose computing approach is no longer sufficient to meet the demands of today's fast-paced, data-driven work environments. It's essential for organizations to invest in cutting-edge hardware and software solutions that can effectively leverage AI and machine learning capabilities. Now, let's dive into the design and build quality of the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus. At first glance, this laptop exudes a sense of sophistication and elegance, with a sleek, modern aesthetic that's sure to impress. Measuring 0.7 inches thick and weighing just 3.05 pounds, it's remarkably lightweight and compact, making it an excellent addition to any workspace or travel setup. The 14-inch Full HD Plus FHD Plus display, with an aspect ratio, offers an expansive vertical workspace, providing ample room for multitasking. With a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, images appear sharp and vibrant, thanks to the IPS technology that ensures consistent color and brightness across the display. Moving on to the most critical aspect, the internals. The AMD Ryzen AI 7 Pro 350 processor, featuring 8 cores, 16 threads, and boost speeds up to 5.0 GHz, is an absolute powerhouse. Not only does it deliver exceptional responsiveness for multitasking, content creation, and AI-enhanced workflows, but it also sets a new benchmark for power efficiency, making it an impressive choice for demanding business environments. Paired with a whopping 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, this laptop provides lightning-fast performance, rapid loading times, and seamless data transfer. The 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, in particular, boasts incredible storage capacity and read-write speeds of up to 5,500 megabytes per second and 5,000 megabytes per second respectively, further elevating the overall experience. The backlit keyboard on the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus is another standout feature, boasting well-spaced keys with excellent tactile feedback and minimal keyboard flex. This makes it ideal for extended typing sessions, whether you're authoring documents, coding, or simply staying productive on the go. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5 for capabilities ensures reliable wireless connectivity, ensuring you stay connected to your critical business networks, even in the most demanding work environments. When it comes to performance, we pitted the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus against demanding business applications, from data compression and encryption to AI-enhanced image processing and even machine learning-based predictive analytics. The results exceeded our expectations, delivering exceptional performance in every test, with AI-enhanced tasks being particularly adept at utilizing the Ryzen 7 Pro 350's capabilities. However, it's essential to note that the laptop does heat up slightly during prolonged use, particularly during computationally intensive tasks, so be sure to maintain a stable workflow and adequate ventilation. The one area where the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus falls short is in terms of battery life. While the battery itself is decent in size, the actual runtime is somewhat limited, topping out at around 7 to 8 hours with moderate use and 4 to 5 hours in extreme conditions. Still, this is an acceptable trade-off for such an exceptional performance profile and feature-rich offering. Compared to competing options, the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus AI Business Laptop stands out for its comprehensive AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 350 processor, robust DDR5 RAM, and generous storage capacity. While its main competitor, the Lenovo ThinkPad, delivers exceptional battery life, the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus shines in its ability to provide top-tier AI-enhanced performance for demanding business applications. The HP Elite Dragonfly is another strong contender, offering superior connectivity options, but ultimately falls short in its storage capacity. For the modern business user, I confidently recommend the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus AI Business Laptop as your ultimate tool for productivity and performance. With a strong feature set, impressive performance profile, and sleek modern design, this laptop truly redefines the boundaries of what's possible in a business-oriented device. If you're tired of being held back by subpar hardware, I urge you to take the leap and experience the revolutionary power of the Dell Pro 14 Copilot Plus AI Business Laptop for yourself. Visit Dell.com to explore this incredible device in greater detail and discover how it can elevate your business outcomes today.